Take advantage of the contextual taskbar to make easy work of common tasks. So what exactly is the contextual taskbar? The contextual taskbar is a floating on-screen menu that provides quick access to relevant tools, options, and the next steps for a current task. Basically, this little bar is trying to guess what you want to do next because it truly does want to help you out. So on this scrapbook page, I have this little flower activated. The contextual taskbar thinks that maybe I want to remove the background of the flower, which it doesn't really have a background anyway, and it thinks that maybe I want to select the subject. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll click Select Subject. From there, you might have guessed that the purpose of the contextual taskbar is to reduce your need to navigate through the multiple panels and menus of your application. It's trying to save you time. Now, as you saw before, the contextual taskbar was down here at the bottom center of the document, and that's where it is by default. But as you go about letting it help you, it's going to move around and stick pretty close to the place that you're working on your document. If you'd like to move the bar out of your way, click and drag on the left edge of the bar, and you can place it anywhere on your screen. But again, it's going to move around the next time you tell it to do something. Another thing you can do is to pin it out of the way. To do that, click on the menu option and choose Pin Bar Position. With this active, when you click and drag on the left edge of the bar and move it into a position, it's going to stay there until you tell it to move somewhere else. So once again, I'm going to click Select Subject, and notice how the bar did not move below the flower. It stayed put right where I pinned it. I'd encourage you to play around with the contextual taskbar, but you should know that Digital Scrapper instructors will keep it hidden during tutorials. To hide or reveal the contextual taskbar, in the menu bar, choose Window and then Contextual Taskbar. Unchecking it will hide it, but just because you've hidden it doesn't mean it's not going to come back. For example, if I were to edit some type on my page, Photoshop Elements is now using the contextual taskbar to let you commit the change. And on the flip side, if you have the contextual taskbar enabled, it will disappear on you if it thinks it has nothing to offer. For example, I'm going to click Deselect here, and then I'll click on a type layer. Notice how the contextual taskbar just disappeared because it literally has nothing to help me with until I make my next move. So I hope this gives you a base to the contextual taskbar that's new in Photoshop Elements 2026. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.